Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off autoplay on Apple Music. First of all, you can open the Apple Music app. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply reach the option that is library, and here you can see this type of interface. After reaching this type of interface, if you have played the playlist, you can just simply tap on the playlist that you listen. After opening the playlist, here you cannot see any options in my account because I cannot edit my personal Apple account into my Apple Music account. So you can just simply do the few things to off the autoplay on Apple Music. You can just simply click on the infinity icon that you turned on. Make sure that you disable the infinity icon in the playlist section, and after this the autoplay is turned off on Apple Music. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.